My people, hear the voice of the Most High today. Him say, be holy, for I am holy. Your body are the temple of the living Jah, so keep it clean, keep it pure, and let the word dwell deep in your soul. Yeah, holiness are the power of Zion. My children, be holy, for I am holy. Oh Jah, oh, be holy, for I am holy. Yeah, yeah, my children, be holy, be holy, for I am holy. Oh Jah, oh, be holy, for I am holy all the time. Your body is my temple, oh, keep it clean and holy. Oh, how can a man who dead to sin still live in sin again? To be holy is the richness of my word deep in your soul. As a newborn little baby, desire the pure milk of my word. My children, be holy, for I am holy. Oh Jah, oh, be holy, for I am holy. Yeah, yeah. Holiness are the beauty of Zion. Are the beauty of Zion. Holiness are the strength of the lion. Are the lion, the conquering lion. Clean heart, pure mind, that's where my spirit dwell inside. Oh, be holy, oh children, for I am holy. Oh Jah, oh, be holy, for I am holy. Yeah, yeah. Be holy, oh children, for I am holy all the time. Holiness no be religion, my people. It's a lifestyle of love and purity. If the spirit of Jah live in you, walk in the light and shine bright for Zion. Be holy, for him holy.